Just a couple of questions about grid infrastructure storage. Is that separately licensed?
Oh gosh, if I were a salesman, I'd be rich. This is one of the more confusing aspects at the moment. When the grid infrastructure storage, no, let me take a step back. Grid infrastructure storage for ASM is not separately licensed. That's included with any database license you may have. Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition, they all have, including the database storage license. ACFS, when it was first released with 11.201, it was included. However, it became extremely popular for very good reason, and Oracle has decided to backtrack a bit on the bundled licensing for ACFS. And I do now see that when it's rebadged as cloud file system, there may be, depending on what you're doing, there may be licensing implications. But I'm afraid I'm not enough of any expert on licensing to take it further than that at the moment.